Again, it did come in like a dust bag. This is the first number. Really cute. Right here it say, oh, Shein right here. This is what she looks like. It say fashion and bag. I don't know if the camera will ever focus, but that's what it say right here. If you flip it open, listen, it's like a little coin purse. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work for me because I need to put my, I need to bring my little baby with me everywhere I go. So basically this can fit like a lip gloss, your card, your phone cannot fit in here, boo. So this is this. Now it did come with the longer strap, so if you want to put it like a crossbody bag, you can, and it is adjustable to your length or your liking. But me personally won't be using the long strap. I will be, using it like this. So yes, this is the first piece. Let's move on to the other piece. Alright, you guys, so this is the next number. This is what it looks like. Right here it says fashion and trend, and it still have the little effect like this thing right here. I love, I don't know, I think this is what all of the bags came with, and I actually just love it, just to wear as is. And I believe this one comes with a chain as well, but it has a gold chain. Again, personally, I won't be wearing the chain with these bags. So far, none of them is like crumbled up. They did come with the stuffing paper or whatever it's called. So yeah, this is this. The tag inside do say Shein. Again, you can fit your lip gloss, your cord, your hand sanitizer, and your face mask in this bag. So this is this. Okay, so this is the next item. It has a R right here, if you can see. Focus, baby, focus. So it has a R, and it's like light blue. It is super pretty, and I'll put the actual picture of each item on the screen so you can see the price and how much and whatever. So it has a R, yeah, cute. It does come with a chain also. Again, I won't be wearing it with a chain, I don't think. Tissue paper. And it's very, very small and compact. You got the little gold detail right here to put the gold strap on, but I just like this. Like, excuse me, hello, what's up? Hey, I love it. Alright, so this is the next item. Ooh, this one is a little bit bigger. Okay, this is a little bit complicated. So I'll put the actual picture on the screen just to show you guys how it is. So under here you gotta press up to release the thing. This one do have a zipper right here. Again, they do come with tissue paper, and you got a tag in here that marks Shein. They do come with the strap also. Again, I won't be wearing them with the strap. So yeah, the only thing is, I don't know how to wear it. I wouldn't know, like, do I hold it like this, or like this? Girl, I don't know. It's like kind of sort of like snake skin. But this is the next item. Really cute. Alright, so this is one of my favorite pieces, y'all. This super cute color, really tiny. On here it says fashion and bag. Do come with tissue paper also. It do come with the the long strap, but I'm definitely taking it off once I figure out how to do so. So there's a little clip thing right here, but I don't know how to open it. But yeah, I would be definitely taking that off. That way I could just, use it like this. It's like super tiny, you guys. Look at my hand, super tiny, but I love it. And with the other bag that I just showed, I have this matching blue or turquoise and pink with the white thingamajiggy, and the writing right here says fashion and bag. You open it, you have a long strap, which I won't be wearing, and tissue paper inside. It's really cute, you guys. It's like a coin purse type. See, my hand is like bigger. So this is the next item. Super cute. Okay, so this is the next item. This is a orange, kind of sort of like snakish print is given, but this is what it looks like. This one do open this way. Tissue paper and the crossbody strap. Super cute. Love it. I can't wait to wear these, y'all. So on to the next item. Oh wow, I love this. I'm sorry, I love this. I love this. It has like the snake print detailing on. It has the little thing right here to put the crossbody strap. Ooh, wow. Oops. It has the keychain. Okay, there we go. So really cute. Oh, I love it. Even more in person now. It's come with tissue paper inside, and that's it. Wow, I actually anticipate how good this, or how big this one was. So this is the size of this one. It's just yellow with kind of snake sprint. Girl, I can't talk. But let's get into this one. And my camera about to die. It has the crossbody chain, which is adjustable. Tissue paper, and really, okay, so this one you can fit your phone in, so that's good. Wow, this one has a whole bunch of space. This one you have like a little tape right here to remove. Oh my god, I love this. I can definitely see myself rocking this thing. You heard me? Hey. Alright, you guys, so this is the next item. I totally forgot about this little number right here, girl. Oh my god. So I got 2 yellow bag, 2 white. Wow, this is super cute. Look at the detail on it. This is like super tiny, y'all. So cute. Oh, this one have the adjustable strap too, or the crossbody strap. Oh my god, this is so flipping cute. Can you imagine going on a nice little date or whatever? But me, I'm gonna have to wear my you know, my little belt to bring my little lady with me. But this is the next item, y'all. Super cute, super tiny. Okay, last but surely not least, because we have one more. I think I said that wrong, but whatever. Oh my god, this is so cute, and it has the gold detail little thingy on it. Oh my god, this is super duper cute. Wow, it got tissue paper, and then it has the, what you call this thing, the crossbody part thingamajig. This is super cute, y'all. Oh my god, I love it. This is one of my favorite colors. Okay, so we actually have one more item after this. I totally forgot about it, y'all. When I say I forgot about this little baby, I forgot about that little baby. Okay, so this is like a little excuse me. But this is like a dupe for Christian Dior purse. I'll put like a little picture up on the screen with it. They have this one in blue and white on the website, I think. Do come with a crossbody bag, and inside it has a tag that marks Shein. This has enough room to put your phone. I could probably put my gun up in here. Hey, but yeah, I love it. It's super cute. I love it. So this is this, and the detail on it is cute as well. Okay guys, and for the piece that I was most excited about is this one. I already opened it. It's a little bit messed up. Like, look at it. Like, look right here. You see that? It's like crooked shipping. But yeah, I got this, y'all. This is so cute. Super cute. And this is actually big, and I like it. Inside it has a whole bunch of space, and you can wear it as a crossbody also. It comes with a chain. But this is the inside. Quite a lot of space in here. This one do have a nasty smell, like it's super stank. But yeah, this is the final item for this haul. Super cute, and I will try to wear these. Normally I buy stuff and never wear them, but this time around I am going to wear my items. So follow me on Instagram, my Snapchat, on my Facebook page, Roxy Tyrell. You'll be able to see how I style it. So that's it for the haul, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share the video. Leave me a comment to see what video you want to see in the future, and I'm gonna try to be as consistent as I possibly can. So I'm trying to post a video every Wednesday. Okay, so stay tuned for that, you guys. Love you. Bye bye.